Hello and welcome to Svedola Woodworks. I'm Michael. Today, with the help of AI, we're actually going to make your pictures from the work that you've been doing stand out on Etsy and Facebook and a lot of other platforms. Because many times when you upload your images like the one I have here, it doesn't really look that attractive. So with the help of AI, it's going to be a lot easier to make it look attractive to people. So for example, this one here, I had a Ram 1500 that I scanned in and just cut out on the CNC like this. I just uploaded the bitmap and just followed the frame on the outside, the contours. I even put in a little extra thing here for the flag and the Ram logo and stuff like that. Let's see, I can remove this. This is how it looks like. And then I just filled it in. This one here we're going to cut down. Actually going to do a pocket on it, 32 millimeters deep. So it's pretty deep. It's like a party tray, candy tray and stuff like that. It's a very simple setup. So if we run it here, you can see the cutouts on it and the pockets. And then just a little cutout. And that's all I did. It's very simple. Only problem is that when I have the picture here, if I want to put it up on Etsy or Facebook, it doesn't really look that attractive. So what you can do, it's pretty cool actually. You can go to Gemini, which is the ChatGPT for Google. Or you can even use ChatGPT images and they can create it for you as well. So for example, if we do upload, I can upload my file. Let's see, pictures. We have these here. Remove the background. And place die-cast cars of the Ram truck model in each compartment. Let's go ahead and run this. And here, the AI removed the background and placed a couple of die-cast cars. Now, it didn't actually put all three in each compartment. It's not that smart sometimes. But it's actually my job that I did, that I printed out or CNC'd out. And you can add anything in it. So, for example, if I want to do, because it is a party tray, add some candy and chips instead of the die-cast cars. And display it in front of a real life Ram 1500 truck. Okay, there we go. Now you could put this up, upload it to Etsy or Facebook or any other platform, and it looks like you're actually, presenting it out there in real life. So what it's used for. So it's pretty cool. It's so easy to do, so fast, and you can get everything to stand out really nice, which is awesome. I mean, I can change the color on the vehicle and the background. I can change the background totally. Um, and what's fun is that if you look at the picture here, this one is actually all straight, like a 90-degree angle. Now in the picture, it actually leaned it probably like a 45, 50-degree angle, which is really awesome. I didn't even ask for that, and it did that because it knows that, oh, this is a much better perspective of everything. So that's all I wanted to show today. It's super easy to use these chat and Gemini programs, the AI programs, to upgrade your pictures, to make it stand out more. And yeah, that's all it is. You guys take care, have fun. I hope that helped a little bit.